Alright, so I just restored this Lyle 5120 full hollow. It is a full hollow body. There's no center block. It's a full hollow thin line uh, short scale base, 30-inch from the nut to the bridge. And just new bridge, new tailpiece. I reconditioned all the internals here, all the wiring, all that stuff. So, I'll give a little sound playing demo of it. If I know how to play bass, maybe a little bit. Playing it through my Fender Rumble 100. So this is neck pickup. Bridge pickup. And both. Let's see. Quirks about this one came with the controls. So this is neck volume and neck tone. Usually this is bridge volume with most setups, with most 4 control setups, but this one came a little different. So this is neck volume, neck tone, bridge volume, bridge tone. So when the switch is up, I'm on the neck pickup. I can control the neck volume, the neck tone. And then when the switch is down, I'm on the bridge volume, bridge tone. This is wired 50 style, so the signal from the pickups goes to the middle lug of the pots, so that when I'm on both, if I turn down one, it doesn't turn down the whole. It doesn't turn off the whole instrument. So now only the bridge pickup is on, even though I'm on both with the switch. So if I turn down the neck. And do the other way for the turn off the bridge and turn on the neck. So all in all, short scale bass, kind of a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun putting it back together and reconditioning it. I bought it from somebody down in Manassas for like $100 because it was missing. It had no strings, of course, but it was also missing the bridge and the tailpiece, and it was kind of a wreck. So for $100, and then for $25 or $30 in parts, and then of course a full wiring job and action and strings and all that stuff. Have a cool little bass. that's it.